Maskata kanaka muri Zimbabwe, maswera sei, and let us talk more about what is happening in the nation of Zimbabwe. ZANU-PF has been given sleepless nights by Triple C, and this has prompted some false narratives and false news to spread like wildfire in the nation of Zimbabwe. I have seen a lot of people are talking about a party called DAZ, and they are saying Nelson Chamisa is set to launch a party called DAZ. I'm going to explain the reason why they are doing so. There are a lot of actors for Triple C. Is Triple C. That is his stepping stone. What it means is if President Nelson Chamisa is set to move to another political party, the narrative will be, look at Nelson Chamisa. He was chased by his comrades from Triple C, or he divided the party, refused to join hands with others. That is the reason why he left. So this is a advantage which they are trying to put, but it will not work at this moment in time. Why? President Nelson Chamisa has not announced the formation of a new party. Neither did Comrade Ostalos did so. So the use of democratic alternative has been done since 2021. There is a tweet from November 28, 2021, where Gift Ostalos said, Yebo Nkosi, on a Sunday morning, we submit the democratic alternative as led by President Nelson Chamisa. We must converge and open the future. This is what he said in 2021. That was not the only time he said so. He said it so many times, several times. But right now, people have taken this wrongly. I think that we did another program, a live program, and addressed this issue. But let us take a look on a political party called DAZ. What will be the right framing? Democratic Alliance in Zimbabwe or Democratic Alliance of Zimbabwe? What actual name would you adopt? The Democratic Alliance in Zimbabwe or Democratic Alliance of Zimbabwe? So in Zimbabwe, it means this is something which is being done within a process which is happening within Zimbabwe as a country. Of Zimbabwe, then this is something different. This is now not about a process. It's now a structure, an organized party. Of Zimbabwe means we now have an organized party, Yatopo. But in Zimbabwe, it means this is something which is happening, a process which is happening within the borders of Zimbabwe. A nationalistic issue. So the issue is not about forming a new political organization. It's about what needs to be done. So this is not the right time for all these. And I believe that those who belong to Triple C will not fall into the trap. But there is a disclaimer. As I said, if you see a new political party being formed, then know that the work has been done to prepare for the new, fresh elections. And it will be done so as to not give people like Shavangu another hand yekubatsira ZANU-PF again. That will be the only issue. The second issue will be to have new faces representing the democratic processes in Zimbabwe, not the ones who have been there since time immemorial, destroying the opposition, working with ZANU-PF at will. So I will continue to bring these issues because this is an issue which is giving ZANU-PF sleepless nights. That is the reason why they are on a campaign of Nelson Chamisa forming a new party, so as to try and say, Mukomana akundikana. You see? So this is my own thought. This is how I view all these things in Zimbabwe. And I stand to be corrected because the truth shall come out. If the new party is formed, then we will see. But if the new party is not formed, then we'll also see. So those are Zero on Zimbabwe. My name is Ronald Wekwamakusha. Thank you very much for the support. Please keep on sharing, sharing, liking, commenting, and also subscribing to this platform.